In Nela, a to veš, da smo vlogat začeli?
Vem, ja, mislim, vidim.
Like in my opinion, first they need to be short and sweet. They need to have one clear connection storyline. So, for example, that's why we always need to plan them in advance. 50 to 60% of the vlog needs to be about the main storyline.
Danes ima Zoran breakfast za nas, ne? In jaz ne vem, kaj on počne, kdaj on misli kaj naštimat, ne? Ampak jaz in Primož
Ful lačna.
sva že tukaj in čakava. In ne vem, ura je cajt. Zdaj že na koledarju piskal. Point out breakfast čez 10 minut. Je zoki?
Any obstacles you have?
For now, we started on Friday the traffic campaign,
Okay.
and yesterday we started the conversion campaign with carousels. So actually retargeting the categories.
We decided that it's two things that we usually write. First is the things that you do in your work, so something connected to your work. Or second thing, something that you want to learn, because writing a blog is also something, a good learning process. So when you think about topics, these are the two paths you can go.
Okay. I haven't gotten any reply from them yet, so I'll remind them today again, or ask if we should have a different solution.
We didn't write much about knees lately, so the working title was Kako kolesarjenje pomaga pri bolečinah v kolenu.
Nice.
And then I choose the keyword boleče koleno. Actually it has quite few search. And the title would be Boleče koleno lahko lajšate s kolesarjenjem.
That's a wrap. Bomo snemali Point Out Weekly, ravnokar, vidite, da ni še nič še pripravljeno, ne, Egle mal sleka danes, ampak evo, takoj, ko se priklopil kamero, je valjda začela takoj pripravljati. Najprej snemava jaz pa Vika, pol pa skupaj z Nejcem. A si ready?
Recimo, bomo videli, kako bo šlo. Malo živčkov je, ker je to prvič zame. Sem si pa pripravila približen potek Point Out Weeklyja. Kaj bova danes z Zoranom povedala. Point Out Weekly se pripravlja že veliko prej, ne samo na snemanju. Zmenimo se najprej za temo, jo napišemo, pripravimo vsebino, potem snemanje, potem pa še postprodukcija, potem pa Egle does her magic. I still don't know why they convinced me to do this.
Si ready?
Ne.
Jaz bom začel. Danes je z mano prečudovita, rahlo zapečena Vika. Danes bomo govorili o tem, kako potekajo projekti oziroma kako organizirati projekte v agenciji, kako to mi počnemo in mogoče se kaj iz tega naučiš in seveda uporabiš tudi pri svojem delu.
Se lahko tudi malo takole zapisaš.
This is how we do it at Point Out.